Better together, exploring the power of unity in language. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, better together. This is a common English expression that carries a lot of meaning, especially in the context of teamwork and collaboration. So, let's dive in and understand why being together can often be better. Better together is a phrase that emphasizes the advantage or improved situation when people or things are combined or work in unison. It suggests that collaboration or partnership can lead to greater success than working alone. This phrase is often used in various contexts, from personal relationships to professional teamwork. Let's look at some examples where better together applies. In sports, a team that works well together can achieve more than individual players working alone. In the workplace, colleagues collaborating on a project can bring diverse skills and perspectives, leading to better outcomes. In personal relationships, friends or partners supporting each other often have stronger bonds and can face challenges more effectively. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. 1. We are better together when we combine our talents. 2. This project turned out great because we were better together. 3. As a community, we're definitely better together. This phrase also holds cultural significance. It reflects a universal belief in the power of unity and cooperation. In many cultures, the idea of being better together is a fundamental value, promoting community spirit and teamwork. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, better together. I hope this video has helped you understand the value of unity and collaboration in English language and culture. Remember, we often achieve more when we work together. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.